The time has come. The winners of the Best Award 2025 have been chosen. The winners of the award category, Sheet Metal, Pipe and Profile Processing. And of the award category, Pressing, Forming and Shaping Technology. Followed of the award category, Stamping Technology. And the award category, Cutting, Joining and Fastening Technology. Here comes the award category, Steel, Metal Service and Surface Technology. Congratulations to all winners, and many thanks to all participants and supporters of the Best Award 2025.